Marietta Valley Unified has worked with our community to identify critical educational needs, especially educational technology needs, that require attention to protect the superior quality of education that helps our schools perform among the best in the state.
Measure BB authorizes a prudent, responsible plan to meet these needs.
Academic standards are rising in today's world. We need to give our kids a competitive edge. Measure BB will expand educational technology and keep it up to date.
A lot more about computer programs and technology now, so like when I'm putting that together, that's definitely going to help me. If I have to like insert a video clip, I can use the skills from filmmaking in my senior interview to do that.
Our coding club today, we are working on original animations using costumes that students have created. So here we have 2 costumes from the library that is creating a bat animation. There we go. So you're making a creation from a movie, a Disney movie, okay, and you're drawing this original design. And how many costumes do you have so far? Just one. So we're working on the second one soon. So here's an example of 2 costumes looping back and forth to create an animation. Here we have an animation using several costumes from the Scratch library. Very original artwork here, working on 2 different costumes. How are you using technology to help you with your mission project?
Well, right now I'm doing Google Docs for a really important project on Mission San Francisco DASIS. As you can see, I have Life in the Mission, and then I have some very handy pictures over here to, if anyone wants to see an example.
And it looks like a slide presentation. Can you show us what you have so far?
Mission San Francisco DASIS by Haley A. May.
Measure BB will upgrade classrooms, labs, and equipment for advanced math, science, engineering, and technology instruction to meet rising college university admission requirements.
got to test it on her, so it's more like realistic, and it's not just looking at like what you said, a piece of paper on the computer. So she gets to see like what her heart rate like within a second is. So I think that's pretty cool.
That is cool.
To see it on here.
That is cool. What else does it do?
Well, you can measure like different things. Like this, we measure EKG, or you could do like the breathing rate, or whatever.
Like we plugged these onto her, and she like had to lay down. So that was pretty cool. It felt like the real thing. Interested in the new LabQuest apps that we have because we kind of understand what colleges are doing, and they can be used for like so many different things, like for physics and chemistry classes, and it really helps us get an inside look on what like the hospital life is going to be like if we want to go to the medical field. So I think it's super cool, and it's really neat how like we're so advanced in technology now, and they can just do so many things.
Measure BB will improve career training classrooms for college and career success in fields like health sciences, engineering, technology, and skilled trades.
Welcome to the Marietta Expo. Can you please give me your name and the school or business you're representing and what you're showcasing today?
My name is Tanner Forrest. I'm the CEO of Virtual Enterprise. Virtual Enterprise is a class we have here at Marietta Valley High School. It's completely online, digital, and allows us to compete against other schools internationally.
Okay, thank you.
I'm Krista Wynn. I teach the medical pathway here at Marietta Mesa High School, and we're just showing some of the books that we have, brochures about our medical pathway. I have this computer set to a health science partnership that we have with University of California at Riverside. We also have a California HOSA chapter, which stands for Health Occupation Students of America. Which we have a scrapbook here for that. I have some students here, some of our CPR dummies.
Video game 1, next year we'll have video game 2 and 3, in which we design our own video games. For 1, we do, simple 2D scrollers, scripting, stuff like that. In 2, we have 3D animations and other stuff like that. And in 3, we're actually doing Kinect-based design. Yes, it emulates your body movement, captures that, and yes, we script it all with programming and basically, right now in 2D right now that I'm in, we're using engines to do that. Yeah, it's a very great course that many people should take.
So last year in robotics we did click and drag programming, which was pretty simple. It was easy to figure out. But this year we're more advanced with our technology, so we are able to type in all of our code just like professional programmers do in the real world. And now we are programming our bots to spell out our names using function notation and variables. There are no sensors on these robots. We'll get that shortly, but as right now, very simple autonomous programming, and this was all done within the first 3 weeks of school. We got plenty of time left to learn a bunch more, so looking good.
So you have to change signs for 2 to turn. Then you're gonna swap. Which ones do you change?
Measure BB will repair or replace leaky roofs, old plumbing, failing electrical, lighting and HVAC systems, indoor and outdoor safety hazards, and other facilities to improve student and staff safety.
Measure BB will construct new classrooms and school facilities to accommodate growth in student enrollment.
All Measure BB funds stay local, dedicated to Marietta Valley Unified School District schools only.
The state cannot take Measure BB funding away.
Measure BB is for school technology and facilities only.
No funds are allowed for administrators' salaries.
Independent citizens' oversight and mandatory audits will ensure funds are spent properly.